and I'm here with this lovely lady. She'll introduce herself.
Hi and thank you. This is Daisy August, an artist based in Mthatha, originally from Elusikisiki. I'm here. I was invited to come and perform one of my singles that I dropped last year, December.
Alright.
So yeah, that's what's up.
You're an artist. So I call about the artist, okay? Do you mind telling us the name of your song and what's the song about?
Okay, actually it's an EP that consists of 4 songs.
Okay.
But I chose In Control as one of the songs that was requested here.
Alright.
So yeah, it's a song that is about giving everything to our creator, our maker. It's a reminder that listen, we see as entities but you're the one that's in control.
Yes. Guys, now if I the message whatever we do, you can plan whatever, but how are you finding this event? It's your first time performing the event as in China. What's the aim? Event
Well, it's not the first time. This is a art center because it's at Norwood. My parents' place is at Norwood, so I used to go there as a child.
Okay.
Now I'm older, and I was part of an organization at some point that was in the art center, and our band is also part of the art center here and there. Well, I feel quite excited, and I was met by a great surprise when I saw a portrait of myself when I walked in.
Okay.
That was very cool.
Okay.
I found it very cool and surprising. It's a nice one as well. I feel like an artist. Yeah, that's what I can say. I'm excited.
It's very nice. As someone who from the art center, surrounded by creatives and all that, what message would you give to someone who wants to join in this space, the creatives? What message do you send out to that person?
Okay, what I can say is starting is hard, but it does not mean you shouldn't start, right? And also it's important to not lose sight of who you are as an artist. And as an individual, before being an artist, you have to have a strong backbone and have strong boundaries so that you are able to move quite neatly, I can say, for a lack of a better word, so that you can move neatly and then easily. You shouldn't be easily influenced to change who you are, but yes, you can be easily influenced to improve who you are.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. But before we love and leave you, please tell us Sifumana social platforms so that follow someone who's best interested by you.
Okay, you can easily search Daisy August. All my digital platforms will appear, and obviously all my music will come up.
Alright.
So everything you need to know, just search Daisy August and you'll find everything you need to know.
Alright.
Yeah, thank you.
Alright. Also, for bookings as well, information.
All my information is there, especially on Instagram and Facebook. You'll find it there. Oh, and TikTok as well. You'll find it on my bio. So for bookings, yeah.
Alright. Thank you so much, Siswam. Thank you so much, Daisy. You're so stunning, and all the best with your career in music. Thank you so much. Guys, nilipatele amanye ama-lady a-cute a-short lalapho. Azosazisa bona zishawuri. Guys, azosazisa bona amagama ami. Ngiqale kusithanda sami. Your name?
Igama lami Blessing.
Blessing.
Yeah.
I hope you are a blessing.
Truly am. A complete one on top of that.
Yes. And you, my love?
Igama lami Lilitha.
Oh, Lilith. Nginqoza ngo-pride. Blessing no pride. Yabo. Yayiva. Guys, Blessing no pride apha kum. No Lilitha, guys. Blessing no Lilitha. Bazothini bona apha namhlanje, and kukho ntoni apha namhlanje? Blessing, my darling, uzothini apha wena sithona sami?
I came to uzojonga ichomi yami, ubukela ichomi yami, uzoperforma eMall of Mthatha. I-relaunch i-Ato. What is this?
I-relaunch i-Art Center. Yeah. Alright. And then Le champion yenza ntoni?
Iyacula, she's an artist, she sings. We're actually here to support her and siyayithanda indlela acula ngayo and cula kamnandi. So we're always here to support ichomi yethu. And uzobukela nabantwana and fashion, attire zoXhosa and all that, drawings, all that.
How champion ixesha kanani icula? Iqale ukucula like mhlawumbe udala wacula ne, but ixesha kanani ngoba out there wazobana okay ichomi iyacula ngoku.
Yes, Getana, I wouldn't be sure, but I know last year Ebetula Apa Ivory Reserve. Where most of her time she spent here Etula for the audience here.
Oh, alright. Right. Banikama ele chomi yenu na sikana nomdla.
Okuhle.
Oh, uyacula. What kind of music does she sing?
Ucula R&B, I can say. Ne pop, uyacula. It's like good music. She sings good music.
She's a great artist to go for because R&B and pop, Zombini. No, you know what. Anyways, blessing my darling. Uselapha emhlabeni? Usekhona? All right, my love. Very last question. What word of advice would you give to ichomi yakho ezo-performer apha?
The word of advice I'll give to her, but be more confident and angabikho afraid of exploring more of her talent yakhe and going all out. And I ask by supporting, she has it all with and enough love.
And then when Lilita, what words of encouragement to give to ichomi yakho?
To hang in there, it's gonna get better and you're gonna get more exposed as you go. The road won't be easy. You just have to hold on, expose yourself, get to know people more. In such events, like expose yourself, get more exposure.
Guys, uvile ku blessing na ku Lilita ukubana this is all about ukubekezela, perseverance guys and consistency kuchomi yabo, and they're here to support ichomi yabo ecula kamnandi, ecula R&B ne pop. Guys, from me to you and from Lilita, no blessing. We love you guys. Mwah! But we are back again guys. Siniphathele omnye usisi. Mhlawumbe nizomvaka xa igama lakhe bana ungubani. Mhlawumbe sechazwe ngaphambili. But naye uzazisa sithanda sam. Please introduce yourself to the viewers.
Nami ngokuhle, Tukathandwa waseQunu. I'm an artist.
Yes. Ngava, I'm an artist. I'm an artist. Tasekaya, tell us bana wena, what kind of artist are you? What music do you make?
Okwangoku andikazenzela wami umculo, sacula covers and because icula zonke covers wena gospel, R&B, Afropop.
Oh, she's versatile guys. R&B, gospel, pop. Guys, she's a versatile artist. Sixoba uzothini apha namhlanje?
Namhlanje apha kukhona i-launch e-shop ndizocula. Yes.
All right. Like is
artist yalapha at center, so i-launch yalapha at center, so I'm performing.
Oh, okay. Oh, so it's not your first time performing apha at center?
No. I've lost count.
You've lost count? You've been performing. So dala uyenza lento.
Yabona ndisenazo nentloni.
Yabona uthi buzo kuwe le
stage siyandazi. Siso esoyika mna ndisasoyike.
Okay. Hayi uviwe ndim. Uviwe ndim. Sasam, you look fresh, Like what inspires the way you dress? Also perform. Launch lena. What made you dress the way you dress namhlanje?
Hey, to be honest, I had inspiration in the dressing. Bonenje weather.
Oh, you
just decided to look
Woman,
hot. Just decided to look hot.
Hey, Kagela, what decide? Kuba ile weather yalapha eMthatha namhlanje. Hot level. So Straza, before we love and leave you, please tell us bana and the viewers bana sikufumana ndawoni ku social media platforms.
Okay, ndiyafumaneka ku Facebook okuhle mntu kathandwa, na Instagram and TikTok okuhle mntu kathandwa zonke.
And for bookings as well, sikufumana phana okanye ne number or
no, yazi andikayipost inumber yam for bookings.
So umntu afuna ukubhuka wenza njani?
Umntu afuna undibhuka most of the times ndibona ku TikTok then ban-DM.
Oh, DM you from TikTok. No, Facebook SMS. Okay, guys, guys. She's available on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. If you have you DM her in any of these social platforms.
fake inamba yam so that ibe lula for umuntu ongena TikTok.
All right. Niyazivela guys, from us to you.
Guys, we're back again with another creative, another artist, another fire. Guys, esiphethe apha omnye we-artists zalapha ekhaya apha eMthatha. Guys, asizimazisa ngokunokwethu, uzwazazisa ngokwakhe, uba ungubani, wakwabani, ehlalaphi, esenza ntoni. Bhuti wam, kunjani?
Ndiyaphila bhuti, kuhle kunjani?
Ndiyaphila nami, cela ubambe izandla. Bhuti wam, ndime nabani apha namhlanje nje okokuqala?
Molweni out there. Ume noSimamkele. uSimamkele is known because as an artist because uyacula. I'm there with social media platforms. I sing a house music so far. Otherwise, I have many skills and talented kangangoko. But so far, I sing a house. I have 2 songs that is out there social media. Then ezinye ungazifumana ku TikTok. I promote them ku TikTok. I do vlogs. I vlog njengangoko I've been vlogging. So yeah, nguSimamkele lona. Otherwise nakwi fashion ngendibona mos.
Yes. Niyayazi into bana i-fashion iliyalapha ekhaya. I-fashion ihleli into yalapha ekhaya. So nathi besisaqomba sisezawufika apho. Talking about that, masivele siya khona ngqo kusifake nje odropini yakho into yobana namhlanje njengoba silapha kule relaunch yale ndawo, wena uthe xa ucinga about le ndawo wabe uphuma njani nale outfit?
Yo, it was a struggle. Nindibona ndinje ngumsebenzi. It was a very struggle because ndiba ngathi kwi-pictures zam I don't have anything new okokuqala. Ii-pictures zam kugcwele the same outfit and the same clothes. So nyani creativity ikum and I think ndiyidalelwe because njengoba nindibona zange ndayinxiba into enje but zonke into nizijongeleyo I think nanikhe nazibona ku-Instagram so far. So ndidibanisile man, I tried because iwardrobe yam akho nto etheni, I don't have anything new but zamile.
Yes. Awuzamanga, you're looking superb. Ubukeka umhle kakhulu. Cela nje ukho uphinde usifake nje pha kwi-journey yakho of being an artist. How did it start? Iqale phi? Uye wacinga ukubana mawucule i-house music kuba kutheni njengoba kukhona amapiano atrendayo njengoku? Why did you chose to be different?
Okay, ndiyabulela ngalo mbuzo. It's a nice question okokuqala. Grade 10. Yabona, I didn't know how to sing because ngikhulele ezilalini. Ezilalini we're not exposed kwezi zinto. So grade 10, phofu ndimuvele high school kwa grade 8 ne. But grade 10, I started singing there. I used to sing eMthatha mos kulapha eMthatha kugcwele izigubhu. I used to sing vocals esigubhini ngiqomba man, this is something. And ke ndane opportunity I moved from eKrizani kwakwi studio next door. And ndaqonda uba ndizuyeka. I tried a studio, then ndayovisa I used i-beat kaSimi Sun L. Ndaya estudio, when ndifika estudio hayi sayibetha nenja yam bana and yaphuma ingoma, it's called Ndithandazile la ngoma. But it's not out there because I used i-beat kaSimi, uyabo. But la ngoma isenziwe till now la ngoma. Yeah, ndaqala kanjalo ucula until ngoku nindibona and yo ndikhulile shem ufuna ukuxoxa.
Oh wow, it's such a beautiful story guys. Niyazivela nani nguSimamkele lona. Sima khawukhe ke ngoku umuntu okufunayo orhalela ubona on social media platforms njengoba sewuthethile ngazo into yobana angakufumana njani ungubani pha?
Okay, mandiqale ku-TikTok because ngoyena abantu bandazela khona. Ku-TikTok ndikuSimamkele Mathiso. Facebook Simamkele Mathiso, Instagram Simamkele Mathiso. Everywhere you'll find me Simamkele Mathiso specifically. But ku TikTok ungasuthi Simamkele WW. Uyabo. Ku YouTube Simamkele Mathiso.
Oh, yes. Kusima ke lona sime naye namhlanje guys. Artist lena niyambona ke fresh as he is looking. Siyabulela ke apha kuye for having him namhlanje. That is it from our side to you guys. Till next time.